Hello guys. So cold. Look at the plane taking off there. Unbelievable. So this is the lake. See the wind, the waves. Unbelievable today. Really unbelievable. Mountain, you see the snow, ice, like sort of icing on the cake. Unbelievable. Super cold. It's the ski season already. Look, all the watch companies. Mega fun, and the airport is right there, so you see all the planes taking off. It's super cool. Oh, it's like minus temperatures now, but Mike is happy because this is a good temperature for the motorcycle. Nice. M4. Well, it's freezing and it's really not nice. Oh my god. Why are you so cold? No, it's on for a Mocha, look. Looks like really ancient, but it's super cool. Ah, yeah, lots of G-Wagons here. Like more than anything you can imagine. I don't think he can come here. This guy's weird guy is trying to do weird stuff. Yeah, look at the rain. This is the lake from that side, which is really nice. Yeah, look, this beautiful Aprilia. Oh, it's at 100 degrees now. This is the beautiful lake. People camp here sometimes. Oh. Oh yeah, shit. I can't feel my fingers really. Oh. I miss about the BMW, the heaty grips really helps a lot, except when it's wet. When it's wet, the water seeps into your glove, the vapor. It gets really hot. But this is, it feels like numbing, like someone poking you with needles in your fingers. So I hope you've enjoyed this mini tour of the most beautiful city in Switzerland. If you haven't subscribed, please share, like and subscribe. You would see more videos from different cities in Switzerland, motorcycle reviews and more.